Stewie, what are you doing?
Huh? Oh, Brian. Oh, there you are. I've been looking all over the table for you. You know, I'm going to tell you, this stuff you gave me was a lifesaver last night. I was out like a light. And, normally I'm up 5 or 6 times to scream and defecate. But you know what? I slept straight through.
Stewie, I told you, there's alcohol in that. It's not for kids.
You're not for kids.
Stewie, you're drunk.
Oh, Brian's all serious. Oh, I don't drink in the morning because I've got to land a plane.
All right, come on, I gotta drive you to daycare.
Okay, it's all right. Calm down. I think I've put my shoes on the wrong feet.
Is it 9:15 already? Lois, we gotta go.
Brian, hold on 1 second. I'll be right with you, Mr. Duckford. Brian!
What?
I was just thinking, let's order a kebab.
A what?
A kebab. But I want it in this order. Vegetable, meat, vegetable, meat. And Mr. Duckford would like some quackers.
Can I leave now?
No, Brian, no, you can't. Brian, I need your help. I've made a series of small poops in my bath, and I need you to scoop them out with this fishnet.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
You have to. You're my butler.
I'm not your butler.
I know, but wouldn't it be great if you were? I'd be so happy. In fact, the only thing that would make me happier would be if this tub was filled with yogurt. Can you get me some yogurt? Is the yogurt shop still open? Is there some place to dial up yogurt?
Stop saying that.
What's the best skin yogurt? Who can prepare me a nice yogurt treatment?
If you say it like that one more time, I'm gonna drown you.
Yogurt. See, you're not gonna do anything. Hey, Brian, am I a good little guy? Come on, get down there, you old bag. There we go.
Stewie, what are you doing?
Being awesome.
Whoa, wait, you're in no condition to drive.
I'm fine to drive. I'm so fine. I can do all the tests. See, I can touch my nose. I can touch my head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Stop it.
No, you stop it. You stop it. Brian, you're interfering with my professional business. Where's the radio? Oh my God, are you okay?
No, I don't feel so good. We should probably exchange numbers.
Okay, I'm a 10, you're a 4. Oh, crap. I should have known something was up when I saw all those cars out front.
Stewie, why don't you come and have a seat with all your friends here? We have something to say to you. I'll go first. Stewie, I remember the day you were born. I thought to myself, here's a kid who's got a white, empty canvas stretched out in front of him.
Oh, please, what is this? What is this, a circle of perfect people? Who are you to judge me, Mr. Giraffe, who lets little boys grind on his rump? Mr. Octopus, who lets little boys grind on his rump? Every one of you has your own problems.
Yeah, but you're the only one who almost killed a kid yesterday.
Yeah, well, that's because that kid. Oh, I know. Oh, Brian, who am I? I don't have a cough and my sinuses are remarkably wide open, but I have a problem.
Good. Admitting it is the first step. But don't worry, I'll get you through it.
Thank you, Brian.
You're welcome, Stewie. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go to Chris's room. We're doing a masturbation intervention. I got a bunch of his friends sitting in a circle in there, and... Oh, dear God!